What's up, everybody? Here we are. It's after breakfast. We're out and about. This is our second time out. That guy over there with a dog, not on the leash. At one time, that would concern me. Ooh, stay away from puddles. Yeah. At one time, it used to concern me when I saw dogs, other dogs off leash and stuff, because you don't know what the other dog's going to do. Sorry about the wind. It's a little bit windy out here today. But after Casey and I were attacked by two off-leash dogs last summer, really doesn't concern me because old Casey boy here can really handle himself. Yeah, he sent those other two dogs running. I had to ask the owner if his dogs were okay. They were no small dogs too. They were pretty big dogs. But they were very domesticated, but they came charging out at us from a bush. And Casey wasn't having it. Hey, buddy. So I'm not too concerned when I see off-leash dogs like that one over there. Casey can handle himself. I'd be more worried about the dogs, other dogs, getting hurt. That'd be my only concern. I'd be concerned about Casey too. But boy, when I saw that, stay out of the wind here. What you doing? Hey, got tall shadows today. The sun's out. Casey wants to take his time today, so that's what we're going to do. Just gonna walk around the back. The wind is chilly. The wind is chilly today. Well, see you all later.